there, welcome back to another episode of Mary's Makes and Mends. Today I'll be showing you how I made this macrame blanket ladder for the back of my door. This would also be great as a towel hanger in a bathroom. We have so many beautiful blankets and quilts that have been given to us, and I've been trying to think of a way to display them. This project worked great for our small apartment. I first measured the door to see how big to cut my doweling pieces. I decided on 24 inches. I'm using these little wooden rings to tie my macrame to. I found a bunch of these during a visit to my local thrift shop. I measured out my 4 doweling pieces and taped them together to make it easier to cut. This also prevents chipping when I cut it. I cut the pieces with my jigsaw and sanded them down. I cut my macrame cord 8 times the length of what I wanted the length of my ladder to be. A good rule of thumb is to cut cord 4 times the length of your project, but I'm folding my cord in half to put a lark's head knot at the top. The lark's head knot at the top is super easy. Fold your cord evenly in half so the loop is at the top of your project, and simply pull the rest of the cord through to form a knot. I did 2 lark's head knots on each wooden ring so that there are 4 cords total. To do the spiral knot, take the cord from the outer right and cross it over the 2 middle cords. Then place the outer left cord over the right cord and under the 2 middle cords. Pull it through the loop on the right side and pull both cords until a clean knot is formed. Looks like somebody came to help me out. I did about 30 knots and then tied the first piece of doweling in, still using a spiral knot. For all of the remaining rows, I'm tying 50 knots before each piece of doweling. It just seemed to be the number that worked to avoid the doorknob. Almost done here. I'm definitely feeling the arm workout at this point. I tied a knot at the end and used a comb to brush out the cord. Now it's all ready to hang some blankets on. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more DIY videos like this, then hit the subscribe button. Bye for now!